In this video, we'll learn how to create our own function in Python using definition. Step 1. The input function. The input function lets the user type something from the keyboard. Whatever you type is always read as a string, so we use integer to convert it into a number. Here, we store it in a variable called number1 and number2. Step 2. Defining a function with definition. This part defines a new function named definition. The word def, shortcut for definition, stands for define. It tells Python that we are creating our own function. Inside the parentheses, we put two parameters, a and b. The colon starts the function block. The line below is indented. That's how Python knows the code belongs to this function. The return keyword sends the result of a times b back to where the function is called. Step 3. Using the function. Now we print the result using an f string. Notice the f before the quotes. F strings allow us to write variables directly inside curly braces. It runs the function and replaces it with the result. So if the user types 3 and 4, the output will be 12. You can change the name of the function, its parameters, and also what it will return. Let's change the name of the function to multiply, and then try again. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.